Yo, welcome back, peeps. It's been a while, I know, and let's get right into the build. So, what's the build today? So, I've been playing Call of Duty Mobile lately. Checked 2024 Call of Duty Mobile. What's the people's the players' favorite gun, the go-to gun, and they said it was the AK117. So as you can see on the screen, basically a screenshot of the gun, and it'll show you where I'm starting from. So I'm gonna start from barrel. So this is the order: barrel, then it goes to stock, then it goes rear grip, ammunition, over barrel, and optics, and finally the under barrel. So that's how I'm going to be making. That's the order I'm gonna make it. Let's start. So as per usual, I would suggest Kinetics glue and white photocopy paper. That's all you need. And here, I actually had to draw myself a blueprint of the gun. First, a detailed one, and second, it was less detailed, so I can get the bigger picture. So make the blueprint or the drawing of the specific model to your preferable size. So here I'm just first making the measurements, taking the measurements, and making the barrel. So the barrel, so basically the gun is going to be revolving around the barrel. So that's what we're doing. So while we're doing the barrel, so it's the barrel is like, so even though it's like a fully cylindrical barrel, you need to like crush one side, because basically after the barrel is made, we may go to the stock, beefing up the barrel. And now I'm making the actual gear pieces on the gun. So basically, in my detailed diagram, you can see like specific circles and pieces. You don't see the exact part, but I got the pictures, and it's right of the right hand corner, top right hand corner. But in this case, what I do is like in the actual gun, there's a specific gear piece, a set of gear pieces inside, and yeah, I wasted like a lot of time actually making the gear pieces instead of like going to the stock. So my bad. So currently I am making the specific gear, the gear pieces in the middle. So once that's done, actually no, currently I am I'm actually making the stock piece, gun stock. We slowly beef it up and finally finish the gears. Once the gears are done, we go to the stock. Like the stock needs to be finished after. So once the stock is done, so here like there's a lot of pieces done. So basically, along with the stock, the whole stock, the rear side of the rear grip was added, and also the trigger mechanism part above the trigger mechanism and where you feed the ammunition, that I actually added those pieces as well. There's a small cut in the video, sorry about that. Once that's done, sizing pieces up so I can actually get the rear grip on it. Next, I'm just sizing it up to the actual gun, and what we need to do here is I'm currently like adding pieces because we have to make it properly. of slowly adding the exact pieces and fashioning the rear grip, and finally after the rear grip is done, I add the ammunition, the ammo. So the ammo thing, I actually detailed the ammo part. Like I didn't make the whole thing and then detail it. I detailed the whole thing while I was making each part. So that's why it's taking so much longer. So slowly, it's like piece by piece. I increase the details. Sorry for the camera angle. During anything, I just forgot about the camera angle. And here we actually finish the over barrel, and we're going to detail those pieces, cut pieces out, fix it accordingly, and make each of the pieces. And the over barrel, there's no such thing as that, but over barrel and the optics are combined together because I can make it. right? I actually removed specific pieces in this, then we're done. Then the underbarrel, you know, is like the tactical foregrips and stuff in Call of Duty. But here in the abstract piece I had, it did not have such a tactical foregrip. So I really I had to substitute it with something close to that of a tactical foregrip. And that's that. So the painting process I couldn't show because that was the longest part. As you can see, there's a lot of details. The main first thing we need to go through is getting the color scheme done. So this is the red here is sounds the red here is at around 80% red, 20% black, and a tinge of water, so it's like a little more blurry. Actually, less black and more red there. So the next part, you need to find for the golden pieces. You need to find specific golden. For me, I had gold. I had glistening silver along with yellow and black. So that's how you can make those pieces. The blue is basically ballpoint pens. The bright purple, red is also ballpoint pens. The black is just black. These finer details, the blacks on like screws and everything, were again ballpoint pen, and that is it. The silver, obviously, the silver pieces. I couldn't get the optic to work because it's majorly holographic in the specific gun itself. The trigger, obviously, partially is golden and white. So this is the final product as I showed. It came out really well. I'm proud of it. But in the future, if I am hoping to like give these away, I would suggest whoever's actually watching and making these alongside me, I would suggest UV resin. So currently I don't have it on hand, but in the future I will. So basically, once UV resin is set, I can actually make this into maybe keychain, and yeah. So thank you for actually watching till the end, and hope you enjoyed how I made my AK117 lava remix of a gun from Call of Duty Mobile. And I'll see you guys next time.